Stock number 40931G. It's a 2017 Audi Q7. It does have a key. It doesn't start. It's got battery cord problems. I'll show you. There's something inside the cord's not connected or something. You see right there, got parking lot ding in the front bumper. Over here you can see it's broken right there. And then over there you got paint problems. A couple of parking lot dings in the rear bumper. Back door's got a couple parking lot dings. Front door's no good. Front fender's no good. It does have a key. The battery cord, it's got battery cord problems. Seat's automatic. Seatbelt's locked. It does have a sunroof. You can see the seats back there. If the battery is charged, I could electrically lift them up, but I can't do it with the battery dead. You can see these in the windows, shade things. Both windows. Over there too. See, that's the battery connection. I tried to put it on, it sparked for a second, but again, this is stock number 40931G. It's a 2017 Audi Q7. It does have a key, it does not start.